How to enable profile selector on your Chrome at the startup. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily enable the Chrome startup selector at the beginning of your screen. So first thing what you can do is simply head over to this profile section at the top right corner, as you can see over here. Once you click on it, you will see the option called manage Chrome profiles. So simply click on it, and as you can see there are multiple profiles which you can see. So if you want this same tab or same screen to pop up before opening to your Chrome browser, then what you can do is you can simply enable this option. As you can see, show on startup. So once you select this option, what it will do is it will simply bring this tab before you are able to sign in or log in with your account on your Google Chrome. So let me just show you an example. So when you open your Chrome for first time, as you can see, it's asking me which account would I like to choose. So I simply select on the account that I like, and that is it guys. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.